Good morning children, Sai Ram. Children, in previous part we have already discussed issue of debenture journal entry. Now, today we are going to discuss oversubscription. So, let us do the one question. Question number 1. Vijay Lakshmi Limited invited application for 10,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 at a premium of rupees 70 per debenture. The full amount was payable on application. Application were received for 13,500 debentures. Application for 3,500 debentures were rejected and application money was refunded. Debentures were allotted to the remaining applications. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of Vijay Lakshmi Limited for the above transactions. So children, this is the case of oversubscription. Now how we will know about this? This is the case of oversubscription. So children, look at here. Here invited application invited application debentures are given 10,000. Invited application means issued. Issued debentures are 10,000. Okay. So one debenture price is 100 rupees and 70 rupees per debenture premium amount. So it means now the total debenture cost is 170 rupees. Now the full amount was payable on application means here no calls are made. So only we have to make the journal entry of application. Now application were received for 13,500 debenture. It means in the first installment the company is receiving 13,500 debenture. But see, company have issued the debentures only 10,000 and receiving 13,500. It means the extra debentures amount company is receiving. So this is the case of oversubscription when number of debentures issued is less than the actual debenture amount received. Okay, so this is the case of oversubscription. Now application for 3,500 debentures were rejected and application money was refunded. You have to make the journal entry. You have to pass the journal entry for this. So children, what is the journal entry? As you know that you have to make only one journal entry, that is of application. So start writing. Journal entry is C. Applied and allotted. So here write down the total. Total debentures applied 13,500 and allotted 10,000. Okay. Now these are the debentures received on application and allotted only 10,000. So 3,500 debentures refunded. Now you have to make the journal entry and the one debenture amount is given 100 plus 70. This 70 is for premium. So the journal entry you have to make bank account debit to debenture application account. And the next journal entry debenture application account debit to the percentage is given 10% debenture account to the 3,500 debenture rejected, so to bank, and security premium also, so to security premium reserve account. Okay, so this is the journal entry which you have to make. Now amount. So first of all, amount you have to write down. This 13,500 you have received on application, so 170 rupees. Now do multiplication 13,500 into 70. 13,500 debenture into 70. Okay. Here also 13,500 debenture into 170. Sorry, it is 170. and here debenture, actual amount of debenture 10,000 into 100, and security premium 10,000 into 70 rupees, and bank rejected debentures are 3,500 into 170 rupees. In this way you have to give the journal entry. So children, do multiplication the amount. Only one journal entry you have to give. See, bank account debit to debenture application account 13,500 total debenture received on application into 170 included premium amount. Debenture application account debit amount you have to write down the same. To 10% debenture account, here you have to write down the actual debentures. Actual debentures are 10,000 which the company have allotted. So 10,000 into 100 rupees the actual debenture per debenture price. To bank account, so total debenture rejected 3,500 the extra debenture, and the rupees is 170. Security premium reserve 10,000 into 70 rupees. Here 70 rupees is for security premium. So in this way you have to do this question. Now children, second topic is issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. So this topic we have already discussed in the share chapter. So in this topic the journal entries are same, only in place of share you have to write down the debenture. So the first entry is when the company purchase any asset or any business. So the entry will be asset account debit to vendor account, and the next entry is vendor account debit to debenture. The percentage of debenture is given, then percentage 9% debenture or 10% debenture account. But if the consideration purchase in premium, then you have to write down premium. If on discount, then you have to write down discount. Okay. So look at this question. In this question, Newton Limited purchased a machinery from B for rupees 5,76,000 to be paid by the issue of 9% debenture of 100 each at discount, 4% discount. Generalize the transaction. Now see, here the debenture issued at 4% discount. So first journal entry you have to make for this. Newton Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 5,76,000. So the journal entry is machinery account debit to vendor account. Machinery account debit to vendor account 5,76,000. Now next entry is for paying the issue of debenture. So the entry is vendor account debit to debenture account, but here discount is given, so discount you have to write down debit side. So vendor account debit discount on issue of debenture account debit to 9% debenture account. This is the second entry. Children, we have already done with the par and premium cases in share chapter, and this topic is similar to the share chapter. So you have to do all the question in the same manner which you have done in the share capital chapter. Okay, only the discount case we have not discussed. So today I am discussing here discount case. So do practice of these type of question. Let us start. See children, the first entry is machinery account debit to vendor account, and the amount is 5,76,000. Okay, now next entry is debentures are issued on discount. So the entry is vendor account debit, discount on issue of debenture account debit to 9% debenture. If this is the case of premium, then in place of discount debited, you have to credit it the premium. Okay, now vendor same, because here no amount paid on cash or as a bill of exchange or as a bank draft. So the amount of vendor you have to write down the same. So here you have to write down 5,76,000. Okay, now these two amount you have to find out. Now how you will find out? See, you have to calculate the number of debenture. The formula is same for both share capital and issue of debenture. Number of debenture. Here you have to write down purchase consideration. So purchase consideration means machinery purchase for rupees 5,76,000. If any amount paid in cash or as from bank, so you have to deduct the amount. Now divide by one debenture price. So see children, one debenture price is 100 rupees and 4% discount. It means 100 minus 4. The discount price is 4. You can calculate in this way, 100 4%. So the discount value is 4 rupees. In this way you have to calculate. Okay, it means 5,76,000 divided by 96. So find out the number of debenture. So here after dividing, the amount is 6,000 debenture. Now how you have to do? This 6,000 debenture you have to multiply with this 6,000 into 100. It means 6 lakh. And in discount, you can find out the discount amount by subtracting these two or multiplying. I am writing here 6,000 into 4 rupees of discount. So it is 24,000. You can do by any of one method. Either you can subtract these two amount or you can multiply 6,000 debenture by 4 rupees of discount. In this way you can find out the amount of discount and debenture. This formula is same for all cases. See, if the case is of premium, then number of debenture you have to find out. Suppose if there is premium of rupees, suppose if the purchase consideration is 1,20,000, okay, and 100 rupees plus premium is 20. So it is 1,20,000 divided by 120. So when you will divide, the number of debenture will become 1,000. Okay, it means you have to add the premium and do multiplication in debenture column. Do multiplication with the 1,000 debenture into 100, and in premium column do multiplication with the 20 rupees. In this way you have to solve this question. I hope you all have understood both the topics. So children, do practice of oversubscription questions and issue of debenture for consideration other than cash. Thank you children. Sai Ram.